Hey everyone, today we're putting two popular lightweight databases head-to-head, DuckDB and SQLite. Which database management system is top tier in 2025? Let's find out. Make sure to watch the full video to get all the information. SQLite has been around for years. It's embedded, reliable, and incredibly easy to use. You'll find it in mobile apps, browsers, and countless local applications. It's great for small projects, local storage, or apps that don't need complex queries or huge data sets. But now, DuckDB is the newer player, and it's built specifically for analytics. It brings SQL-style querying with lightning-fast performance, optimized for columnar storage and local data analysis. It integrates seamlessly with Python, and is perfect for data science workflows. Now let's compare. For speed, DuckDB takes the edge when it comes to analytical queries. It's designed to handle large data scans efficiently, even on your laptop. For use case, if you need transactional support for apps or mobile development, SQLite is a classic go-to. But if you're crunching data, doing heavy queries, or working with CSVs and Parquet files, DuckDB shines. Setup: both are embedded and simple to use, no server needed. So, which is top tier? If you're a developer building a lightweight app, SQLite is still fantastic. But for analysts and data scientists working with large data sets, DuckDB is quickly becoming the favorite. Two tools, two different strengths, and in 2025, there's a place for both.